Hello everyone. Welcome to IG-FD10K. Get daily updates from the world of biotechnology. Stay ahead and stay informed. In this video, we will guide you through the proper installation process of the IG-FD10K Lyophilizer. Let's begin by looking at the components included for installation: electromagnetic shutoff valve, clamps and vacuum pipe. These accessories are provided along with the main unit to ensure proper setup. First, take the clamp and open it. Inside, you will find a rubber gasket. Place the rubber gasket securely on the vacuum inlet port. Next, position the electromagnetic shutoff valve on top of the gasket. Now, place the clamp around the connection and tighten it by rotating the clamp knob in a clockwise direction until the valve is firmly secured. Now, connect the 3-pin connector of the electromagnetic shutoff valve to the designated socket. After that, connect the main vacuum switch to the vacuum pump power socket. Take the vacuum pipe and connect one end to the vacuum port on the machine. Secure it using the clamp. Then, connect the other end of the pipe to the electromagnetic shutoff valve and tighten it with another clamp. Next, let's look at the additional fittings. This is the drain valve. To open it, rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. To close it, rotate it clockwise. And this is the air inlet valve. Similarly, rotate anti-clockwise to open. Rotate clockwise to close. With these steps completed, your freeze dryer is now properly installed and ready for operation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such guides.